From what I've learned from this experience, it is so cleverly orchestrated, working with the villagers and the communities to not only protect the elephants and the humans, but to also educate on how we can move forward and end these conflicts that are so devastating to both the communities and the endangered elephants. Hi, I'm Phoebe.
Hi, I'm Alicia. I'm Julie.
Hey, I'm Jacob. And I'm Jasper. We're German twins.
My favorite activity is kind of hard to tell. I like whenever there are chances that an elephant may be around. So when we go into camera traps or sand traps and we go into the forest,
you hear like nothing but birds and it's covered in vines. When we get to the actual traps themselves, the sand traps are basically bits of earth that we've sort of turfed up, and so it sort of makes it nice and smooth so you can see a really good print.
we can see first footprints of elephants and we can sometimes smell the elephants. That's really exciting.
And often the walks are really exciting. You get, Syria or Assie who are guiding us. They'll stop every now and again when they hear something and, might suggest that it could be a bear. And then when we get back to the field house, we have the opportunity to go and look at the SD cards that we've taken out of certain cameras and have a look at what's been going past the camera traps for the last week.
We saw some leopards the other week, we saw a pangolin, we saw fishing cats. Yeah, it was all really awesome.
The time spent observing the elephants has been absolutely phenomenal. We head out every afternoon and we either go in the jeeps or in the tree huts that SLWCS have built.
It's like a magical feeling that such a wild animal is just right next to you.
And you could see all of their interactions, them eating, them caring for their babies. That was very impressive.
I've lost count of how many elephants I've seen in my time here, but every single time it absolutely takes my breath away, as corny as that sounds. Especially seeing them out in the wild and in their natural habitat, completely comfortable and at peace.
What if someday we can maybe stop the killing of all the elephants here in Sri Lanka?